Are you wondering if the internal battery on the Nintendo Switch 2 can be replaced if it has started to fail, or basically you need to change it? So when it comes to the battery replacements, actually Nintendo has made it very hard to actually replace the battery on this console, which in my opinion is not a very good move basically. So if you were to take apart the console, basically the battery is completely glued inside. So again, you would probably need some kind of alcohol to basically soften it up and to be able to get it off essentially. Also, taking apart this console, from what I have seen, also probably isn't the easiest tasks. So basically while obviously we can still replace the battery in the Switch 2, the process definitely is not very easy on this console, and again they have really probably made it hard to replace, so you would just maybe purchase another console. So again, I do not know if it's like that, but again, these companies usually try to play tricks like this, so the batteries are hard to replace, and basically so to deter probably like the average person from replacing them. So again, if you're wondering if it's actually easily replaceable by the average person, so if you are just a kid who wants to replace his battery in your Switch 2, then again it's not that easily, and so again it's not really that easy, and again you should probably maybe get it serviced. So usually on phones, on some phones for example, I literally try to change batteries myself, but again for some phones again they have made it basically the battery replacement like mega hard. So, and this also is the same situation, it appears, with the Switch 2. So again, you need skills, like really decent skills basically to replace the battery. And even if I'm a technical person, personally I wouldn't actually try to do this myself unless I'm very desperate essentially. Anyway, good luck.